Friends, hello friends, introduce the software which is Creo Parametric or Pro software. So first of all, we open the Creo Parametric 3.0 software. So how to setting in Creo PTC Creo Parametric PTC Creo सॉफ्टवेयर में सेटिंग कैसे करते हैं वो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा. So first of all, open the Creo software. Now you can see here the new. If you select the new, then new parts or new sheet is open, new working area is open. Here the open command is available. If you select the open, then your file which is placed in your folder, so you can open this file from this option. Okay, sir. Now select the working directories from here. Erase no display. Now here one option is available, the model display. See, if you select the model display, here the settings are available, so you can settings from here. Now you can settings from here. First of all, you can select the environment. Now the software environment option are available from here. You can see the general environment option. Now if your choice, you select the options, the model check settings options, distribution computing settings option, and design exploration settings. Now you can see here the set a default checkpoint tree display. If you need to tree type of display, then you can select from here, and here the timeline display, then you can select from here. Now I can know. Now I select the tree type display. Now see another option is next is system colors. So you can see here system colors, so many options are available here. First of all is graphics. Now in graphics the different commands are available, and different commands have different colors. So you can select the geometry, have black colors, hidden line have white colors, sketch have blue colors. Now here select, if you select the any phase, then green colors, that place is visible in green colors. So now shaded edge, black colors, background white colors. If you select the background here, change the background color. If you select the purples, then your background colors is purples. Now same here, select the datum. Now if you have plane, center lines, coordinate systems, axes, now you can change the color of center lines axis from here. Select this and select from this in one colors. Now I select the brown colors. Now geometries, same in this geometries, spline, surface mesh, place region mesh. Now in sketcher, same with guides color, strong constraint, graph geometries colors, orange. Now simple search. So interference. Now different command has a different color, so if you can change you can change these colors. Cell command, mass, modeling entities, beams, springs, measures, load and constraint. Here different colors are available. You can change whatever easy for you. Now next one is model display. Now here you can see model orientation, trigonometric. I select the trigonometrics one. The model display settings when reoriented the model, so you can select from here what you want to for Creo software using. Now shaded model display settings. I selected this one's default settings, so real-time rendering settings. Now another one is entitled displays, geometry display settings, shading, mediums, and solid tangent is displaced by solids, anti-aliasing of datum display settings. So datum plane, always so datum planes when I am working in softwares. So datum axis and set so datum point. Now so point symbol is cross. Now dimension alteration notes and reference designing display settings. So the dimension tolerance is, if you select, then your dimension tolerances are so. If you highly performance designing, then you need to this type of settings. So dot names instead of node text, cabling, design of cabling equate and piping components. So I not required this, I not need this. Now layout display setting, assembly display setting areas. Now selection, sketchers. Now sketching, your sketching settings are available from sketchers. So vertical lines, constraints, dimensions, with dimension. If you display unselect this, then your big dimension did not see. So sketchers constraint parallel all commands is showing sketching sketch options, accuracy and sensitivity, number of decimal places. If you increase, then your dimension decimals point is after a point, so 3 up to 3 point, select 2, then up to 2 point. Mapping sensitivity is very high. Dimension behavior like tagging and such. Look modify dimension, no. Look user defined dimension, no. I don't lock these. Sketch data of entities in assembly. The assembly settings are provided from your component level settings, constraint reference, redefining. You can change the one is your working purpose. Notification center, modify Creo direct notification, upload control notification, and miscellaneous notifications. And now ECAD assembly settings are provided. Same here, the color collaboration, ECAD boards, data exchange. If you data exchange from Creo to another software, then you can change settings from this data exchange commands. Use these sheet metals options, update controls, Windows settings. Now this is the Windows settings, the navigation tab setting, model tree setting, browser settings, accessories, Windows settings. Now before maximum size, now configurations. Now close these. Now your system colors. So we discuss about this in model display setting. Now first of all, we open the new model. Now select the year new. Now here are many options are available: layouts, sketch, part, assemblies, manufacturing, drawing, format, report, diagram, notebooks, markups. Now if you draw the parts, then you select the parts, and now select the solid. If you working in the solid area, now if you working in the sheet metal, then you can select the sheet metals. Now I select the solids and enter your parts name here. Now press the OK. Now I enter the part name, part 0001 as a default. Now you can change the any one parts name. Now string. Now open this one. Now our working area is open. So first of all, here the model. Now here the model options are available: sketch, extrude, revolve, sweep, save command, pattern, cell, draft, whole, chamfer, which is using modeling. Now second one is the analysis. Now here can the analysis options are available: Excel analysis, toolkits, external analysis, surface, sorties, mass, gravities, measurement, geometry, defect, trap, base surface. Now so many options are available. The simulator now end of the simulated analysis are also available. And now third one is the annotate. Now you can annotate your models, front, top. You can annotate the models. Now fourth one is the rendering. Now you provide the render to the model. Different colors are available. From here you can change the now you can change now you provide the view of the models from here, selecting the animal different in different areas, and your efficiency is to make good your, your model for perspective views you can see here. Now fifth one is the tools. Different tools are available: feature information, model pairs, parameters, relationship. If sometimes you need to relations for model the relationship, like in a methods. So you can enter the from your relationships, enter the year, enter your relationship, and you can achieve the geometry like your relationships. Now sixth one is a view. Now same is a view section, cutting sections, display settings. So many view, so many options are available. Zoom it, zoom out, pan, layers. Now also render are available in views. Now see seventh one is the flexibles. Now sometimes you need to delete the offset the face, move the face, mirror the face. Now flexible patterns substitute are also available in flexible only. See here. And now eighth one is the application. Now this is the finally is the application. Now sometimes you need to wedding in your model to C type joint and wedded to it first. Some model some model die making. So that time these mold and cast options are available. Some parts are in check under the force and pressures under pressure. So at that time you simulate the model by using this command and find the get the result from simulate results. Now first of all open the models, and now we sketch the select this plane, open this one, and now draw the rectangles, circles, and now trim it and make a close this drawing. So finish this one. Now extrude up to 200, and now finish it. Now you can see the here the tree type. My model option is tree type, so you can use the right, top, front. If you draw and use any other commands, then here all commands and all procedures are shown here from in tree type. Now thank you for watch this video. Thank you guys. If you like this video, then you can subscribe my channels. That can take